to fit very well with how I'm responding. And that's why I take my inventories all the time. And that's why I guide in one-on-ones to try to get people to come back into themselves, to not have this new self-awareness, to get relearn what you were aware of before people beat it out of you or convinced you otherwise. Um, you guys know that there's reflexology. I said this in the foot Zoom. There's a division of, I think it's traditional Chinese medicine, or now they've made it their own, where it's reflexology. It's looking at the sole of the foot, and there's a nerve palette of skin, and the nerve is linked to the thyroid, or it's linked to kidneys or heart or frontal lobe or whatever they're going to say. The science behind this is absolutely right. Just leave it out of treating anything or whatever. Yes, the whole sole of your foot and the sole of your hand is linked to different organs and different neurological lines and different parts of the body, different energetic holds, different meridians, different sections, different. Absolutely. That's good science. I'll take that. We F it up when we go ahead and start going, oh, person's expressing kidney healing response, or person's expressing skin response, or person's expressing a thyroid response, which you wouldn't know unless you got a lab test, and then you're really not supposed to know anyway. But bottom line, you just don't feel good. That's all you need to know. That's the only test I ever rely on. How you feel? I don't feel good. I want to feel different. Done. That's all you need to know. And then you're going to use that as your measure. That's it. All the lab and all the imaging is going to show is the healing response as to the appropriate thing that your mind goes, I don't feel good. These are all just measures of the healing responses, not what's wrong with you. But we have a huge issue with medicine on that. So we go in and, ooh, if I put a little needle there, or I put a pressure point there, or I put a stone there, or I put a magnet there, that's going to open up the channels to your kidneys, and that's going to help. It'll heal your kidneys. Now you just took the science and you just screwed it. You absolutely rammed a human into an oblivion, gone. So use the science behind reflexology. Yeah, the soles of your hands and the soles of your feet. And when you're stimulating them, skin on object, ooh, whole body is connecting, whole body is linking up, whole body is responding and being stimulated. Damn, that's big and powerful. That is a powerful move thing. And I got excited there when I did it in the foot Zoom as well.